This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Experiment with the program by making the following modifications and observe the results. Change the condition in the second while loop on line 16, yep, to Jesse.can_move. So right now it's Jesse has paint. And keep in mind what this is doing. We are asking a question. We're asking when the code gets to this line, which would have been here, we're asking, hey, do we have paint? Okay, move forward paint. Hits the bottom back to the top. Do we have paint? Okay, move forward paint. Okay, move forward paint. And as long as we have paint, it repeats that section. Once we don't have paint, it falls beneath, and that's how we end up turning. So we're going to change this to can move. And so what should occur now is we're going to attempt to move and paint until we run into the car. However, I believe, let's see, we only have 6 paint here. That would be 7 spaces. I bet it causes an error. Move forward, paint, move forward, paint, move forward. Up. There's no more paint. So it is letting us move, but it's warning us that we no longer have paint. Interesting. Okay. What happens when you run? What do you think happened? What happened in this case, guys, notice we went further. And the reason we didn't turn until here that time is we had to keep repeating this as long as we could move forward, instead of only repeating this while we had paint. So here is where we turned last time. Now we're going to keep moving till we can't move, the taxi's in our way, and we turn. Power of conditionals and loops. Cool. Onward.